The Lin family, Mei, Ji, and their son Kai, had a quiet tradition. Sunday evenings were for planning and reflection. Tonight, the topic was important, but Mei started softly. We talk about the unpredictable every year. But this year, let's write it down. A comprehensive emergency plan. Kai, resting his chin on his hands, looked intrigued. Ji laid out 3 crisp sheets of paper. Emergencies aren't usually loud. They sneak up on you, he explained. But having a quiet, clear plan means we don't have to panic. Step 1, communication. If our phones don't work, how do we find each other? They designated 2 meeting spots. Immediate, which was the big maple tree at the end of the street, and secondary, which was Auntie Sophie's house, 3 towns away. This was especially important for Grandpa Rui, who needed time to move and might not make it to the closer spot immediately. And what about routine care? Mei asked, looking towards Grandpa Rui. We need to list all medications and specific mobility requirements, clearly stating who is responsible for assisting with movement and grabbing items like extra bottled water needed for pills. Jay made a meticulous note next to the section marked Medical and Mobility. Kai's plan was next. If an event happens while I'm at school, who picks me up if the usual contact can't be reached? They listed 3 authorized adults, Auntie Sophie, Mr. Chen, and Mrs. Park, and ensured they all had a copy of the identification numbers and authorization codes. Now, the vital step, Ji announced. A paper copy. When the power is out and the internet is dark, this binder is our light. He took a brightly colored, sturdy binder and began sliding the completed pages inside, using large, clear lettering for labels. They included utility shutoff instructions, how to safely turn off the water main and the gas, and a detailed inventory of their emergency supply kits, which were kept dry and accessible in the pantry closet. These practical steps made the unexpected feel manageable. If all screens went dark, how would they know what was happening? Grandpa Rui brought out a small, crank-operated radio. Local government announcements often rely on AM radio bands, he reminded them gently. Reliable, verified information is crucial for staying calm and making the next quiet choice. The plan was done. It was 3 sections, color-coded, and everyone had signed it, Mei smiled. Preparation isn't about being scared. It's about being strong and supporting each other. Now we practice. Quietly, calmly, until our responses become second nature. The Lins put the sturdy binder next to the door. It wasn't a reminder of fear, but a symbol of their shared resilience. And in the quiet warmth of their living room, the family felt a deep, encouraging sense of peace. They were ready for whatever the unpredictable future might bring.